our next section, which is 5.2, binomial probability distribution. To use this formula, this is the formula for binomial probability distribution. You have to check several conditions. The first condition is you must have two possible outcomes only. For example, having a boy or having a girl, having head or having tail when you flip a coin, when you draw a dice, getting number 6 or not getting number 6. So two possible outcome only. And it has to be independent. And the probability of success is the particular event that you're looking for, not necessarily positive or negative, just what you're looking for. And then probability of success is remain the same from every time you pick it. So to understand this formula, I'm just going to go straight to the example, otherwise none of these make any sense. All right, so let's look at example based on data from statistic abstract of United States. The probability that newborn baby will be a girl is about 65%. So probability of a girl here is considered success. 3 newborns are randomly selected. So it satisfies the condition here. We have two outcomes, either a boy or a girl. Probability of success is 65% from any random baby that you pick. And we pick 3 newborns at random, so they are independent. So the question is, find the probability that exactly, this is important word, that's why I underline it, exactly 2 of the 3 baby are girl. So probability of x equal to 2 because we want exactly 2. So this is x exactly 2, all right, equal n factorial. N is the number of trials. So we have 3 newborn baby that you randomly selected. So n here will be 3. If you selected 5, it will be 5 factorial, all right? So n, which is 3, minus 2, exactly 2. So I pick 2 factorial times x. X here is 2 factorial. P is probability of success, which is a baby girl. Is 65%. All right. So x is 2. Q is probability of failure, which means is the other one. So if it's not girl, it's going to be boy. Failure doesn't mean negative in any way. All right. So it's 1 minus p. So I have 1 minus p here. So it's n minus x. Just follow the formula. So we did calculate this already in the past section. So you can use CNR, or you can just do it by hand. Remember we did CNR. And then 65% to the second power is 0.4225. I subtract this and this raised to the first power. And I just calculate it's going to be 44.36%. So the probability that exactly 2 of 3 baby that you're going to have grows is 44.36%. Now I changed the question a little bit to part B. Same condition, right? Same condition. Find the probability that at least, now instead of exactly, I say at least. It's changed everything. 2 of the baby are girl. At least mean, think of if you want to have at least a C. So you can have a C or a B or an A, correct? So at least mean 2 or above. So at least mean x greater than or equal to 2. So it can be 2 or above. So above could be 3. You cannot have 4 because we only have 3 baby. So it can be 2 or 3. So you have to apply this formula for x equal to 2, which we did already from the first example, and we get 44.36%, and 3, we have to do that formula again. So my n now is going to be the same, 3, but my x is 3, as you can see here, 3 factorial. I forgot the parenthesis, so it should be a parenthesis here. All right. Times 3 factorial, and then p is the same, q is the same, x is 3, this is n minus x, which is 3. So I calculate all this, and you add them, this is x equal to 3, this is x equal to 2. You add them, it's 71.82%. Now I change the question again, exactly the same condition. I say find the probability that at most mean not more than, right? Not more than 2. So another word is less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to 2, it can be 0, it can be 1, or it can be 2. So you have to apply this formula what? 3 times. 0, 1, and 2. I did 0 already, did I? No, I did 2 already. 0, did I did 0? No, I did 2 and I did 3. Okay, so I did it 3 times. 1, right here, 0, yes. 2, I'm sorry, 0, I can't count. 0, p equal to 0, p equal to 1, and p equal to 2. I did it 3 times. Since we run out of space, it's 72.54%. And I want to show you the shortcut. If you don't get this, don't worry, alright? Don't knock your head on the floor. If you don't get it, it's okay. P less than or equal to 2 is the same as 1 minus p equal to 3. So think about at most 2 is the same thing as 1 minus or 3. It's the same thing. Alright? So you're going to do 1 minus p x equal to 3. I did x equal to 3 here. So I will not do it again. It's 0.2746. So if you don't understand this, it's okay to do it 3 times. That's easier for understanding, but it's a lot of work. However, if you don't want to do a lot of work, p less than or equal to 2 is the same thing as 1 minus p equal to 3. It's the same thing. And I got my 3 from here. So it's the same answer. Alright, we finished chapter 5. Have a good weekend. Bye.